What is up, Flavor family? It's Bobby, and even though we're in the middle of repainting the kitchen, that was not gonna stop me from making this week's video, especially because I wanted to share with you my immune system boosting tea. No time is better than the middle of winter for this elixir of the gods that is pretty much guaranteed to keep you healthy, and if you have a little bug, it'll help you get better lickety splits. And considering the flu shot did not even work this year, shocker, you need this in your life ASAP. So before we get started, hook a brother up and click that subscribe button because I'm rocking out new videos with you every Friday and I want you to be a part of the Flav City community. All right, let's make this tea right now. Add 5 cups of water to a pot. Then peel the skin off of 1 lemon, making sure not to get the white stuff, that's really bitter, and add that to the pot. And then grab a 2-inch piece of fresh turmeric root, slice that up, add that to the pot. And so many people have told me they can't find fresh turmeric root. If that's the case, you can use 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, but Whole Foods always has it in stock and it's way better than the powdered stuff. Then slice a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger and add that to the pot too. Go in with a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper and then 1 crack of black pepper. Bring the pot to a bare simmer and let it cook for 7 minutes. You don't want to boil, just keep it right under a simmer. Take the pot off the heat and add the juice of 1 lemon. Strain the tea into a glass and then stir in about 1 teaspoon of honey. Now, if you are using raw honey, like the kind that Dessi's mom sends us from Bulgaria, you want the tea to cool down for just a couple minutes so you don't kill the enzymes in the honey. And this is optional, but you can also add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil directly to the pot. Obviously, I've been shopping at the Warehouse Club, baby, because we are nuts for all things coconut in the house. And the coconut oil, along with the black pepper, helps your body absorb the turmeric. Turmeric is one fickle pickle, dude. You have to finesse it, massage it for your body to soak up all its glory. And once you make this pot of elixir tea, it will last for 3 days, either in the fridge, or to be honest, I just leave it in the pot at room temperature, heat it up, strain it, and drink it whenever I need it. Well, there it is, you guys. Yes, this might look like Mountain Dew, but unless you're in college studying for finals, you are not allowed to drink that stuff anymore. The recipe is down below in the description box. Make sure you subscribe. Check out the 2 videos clicking right below me right now. And I'll see you next week. Kitchen will be done. Recipes will be rocking. Until then, keep on cooking and keep on drinking.